Start Import and Export Company Limited is a trade enterprise specializing in power tools and spare parts. It's located in Nantong, Jiangsu, adjacent to Shanghai. Our factory provides variable power tools and spare parts such as cordless drill, impact wrench, rotary hammer, armature, and so on. Our shareholder factory covers an area of about 13,000 square meters with foreign trade department, merchandiser department, purchasing department, quality inspection department. We also have the spare parts workshop and systematically managed warehouses with a daily shipment volume of 5,000 units. We conduct strict quality inspection on our products. These provide high-quality guarantee to enhance the customer's purchasing experience. Our foreign trade sales have rich experience in the power tool industry, and their market acumen helps customers develop multiple markets. Our main market covers more than 20 countries, covering Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, Africa, South America, and other markets. We also have a professional design team that can provide customers with convenient one-stop customer services such as OEM. We created our own brand NewBeat and enjoyed a good reputation among our customers. Our vision is to build an industry-leading tool brand and provide customers with first-class products and services. The factory adopts integrity management, courage to innovate, pioneering, enterprising, win-win cooperation as its creed, and warmly welcomes domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us to achieve mutual success.